Trying to type the @ symbol on your laptop but it's just not working? You're not the only one. Depending on your keyboard layout or region, typing @ can get tricky, especially if you're using a non-US layout or if the key combos don't work like they do on desktop keyboards. Before we dive into the quick fixes, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more simple tech how-tos like this. Alright, let's go over the different ways to type the @ symbol on a laptop. If you're using a US keyboard layout, just press Shift+2. That should instantly type @. If you're using a UK keyboard layout, it might be Shift plus the apostrophe key. The @ and symbols are swapped on UK keyboards. On some European or multilingual keyboards, you may need to use Alt+Gr+2 or Control+Alt+2. The Alt-Gr key is usually to the right of the spacebar. Still not working? Try changing your keyboard language settings. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Keyboard, and check your layout. You can switch to English, United States for standard shortcuts. And as a last resort, you can copy-paste the @ symbol from any website or just Google @ symbol and copy it from there. If this helped you type that stubborn @ symbol, hit like and subscribe. More quick fixes are on the way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.